May naligaw.
Salam, peace. Welcome to our channel.
Salam! Peace! Bakit ka nang ma-observe ka niya kasi MSU? Mabuhay! Welcome to Mindanao State University, Maguindanao. As part of our subject in this semester, the ABE196, which is the undergrad seminar and field trip for ABE, as part of our requirements, we will show you to one of the agricultural educational site here inside the MSU-Maguindanao, located near at the College of Agriculture. Come and join us to visit the Care Channel site. So, Abe, Jers, come on and let's go.
Years later.
Here now at the Department of the Agricultural and Biosystems Engineer. So as you can see, our department is under renovation. We are looking forward for a good result for this. And yeah, we hope that our Ali or our bayaws in the lawyer here, our juniors, will enjoy the new structure of our building. Eto, malapit na tayo ngayon sa ating pupuntahang site. So, makikita niyo medyo mainit, no? Pero it's okay. Okay lang mainitan, no? Huwag lang mabagsag kayo, ma'am. Okay lang mainitan, no? Huwag lang mabagsag kayo, ma'am. Okay lang mainitan, no? Huwag lang mabagsag kayo, ma'am. For today's video, ang kasama natin ang ating mga kaklase na parang hindi nag-grade 2 kay parang mga grade 1. Ano, umawag sa ka, di ba sa Care Channel, ha? Umawag sa ka, naggogogaan at tira ka,
Guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Care Channel ng MSU-Maguindanao, particular sa College of Agriculture. And nandito ang ating mga kasama. At yung ating tour guide ay nandun sa loob. So, ano man, Kabe, pasukin na natin.
So, dito ngayon tayo sa Care Channel. So, samahan tayo nila itong dalawang kuya natin, si Kuya Said and si Kuya Nasrol, para ilibot tayo dito sa Care Channel. So, tara na, sir. communities tayo ngayon na yung mga volunteer teachers sa community. Marami po tayo na mga teachers na, so yun ang parang tulong natin sa kanila. Nasa 17 families.
Siya yung magtuturok sa isang bagong panganak na tuturukin siya ng anti-tetanus.
So ngayon matitikman natin ang isa sa mga products nila dito.
Ano yung product nila?
Fresh milk,
Kasi marami silang product.
flavor pati vanilla.
Ayan.
Wow.
Yung chocolate and bulaklak na binibigay sa mga calendar, sa notebook, galing sa Manila.
'Our tour this day. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood sa video na to.
Goodbye!
Paalam na tayo sa ating mga viewers. Maraming salamat. MSU-Maguindanao, Care Channels, and to all of you, our viewers. Ulala!
To you, my batch to AB students, thank you for being a good and obedient students of mine. Wishing you all the best and good luck on your next journey.
Try mo ba yung yung milk bar? Worth lang 15 pesos.
Congratulations for finishing your 4-year course in Agricultural and Biosystems Engineering. I am very proud of you all, MAMRhymes.
Here's a throwback on our first meetings.
My name is Rashid Ampilan. My expectation to you, ma'am, you will be understanding.
My name is Maria M. Dalikar. My expectation to you, ma'am, is to give us good learning and good relationship.
My name is Refai M. Dero, and I don't expect less from our subject professor.
My name is Lyka Mendoza and Espera. Ang expectation ko naman kay ma'am is sana gaya ng dati, maging effective pa rin yung learning.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala jami'an wa barakatuhu. May peace and blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be with us. Especially to our very young and supportive instructor for this course, none other than Engineer Ma'am Rahima Macalimpas. So by the way, my name is Kaharudin Habib. So my expectation for our very kind teacher for this course, as what I met her before, so she is very kind and fair in giving grades.
My name is Datu Galantungan. My expectation to you, ma'am, is to have more patience in understanding us and more, in short, flexible and more approachable. And I am looking forward for the expectation that we already have during our computer aided design subject. Yun po, thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rahima Macalimpas. My expectation to you, ma'am, is to be the best teacher of this subject and to also us.
Hello ma'am, hello classmates. My name is Michael James B. Martin. I'm expecting that my teacher will provide me enough guidance in order for me to learn and understand everything that I need to learn from this subject.
I'm Abdul Dao Pemeto. My expectation for you, ma'am, is to be the best.
I am Mokhtar Sinangan Pendi. My expectation in our subject or kay ma'am is sana po maintindihan niyo po kami kung minsan nalilit na po yung pag-submit namin ng mga assignment or sa exam.
My name is Kendi Tejero. My expectation to you, ma'am, I want a teacher who understands the feelings of students and is not too strict with us.
My name is Rahima Macalimpas Usman. My expectation to you, ma'am, is gaya po ng dati, very active, humble, and gagawin po ang lahat para magawa ang responsibilidad as an instructor.
I am Datu Mama. I'm expecting from you that you are going to give all your best to help us in this subject.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.